A perfect place for a drive. You! Yee-hoo! Blaze thinks he's cool. Time to challenge him. Ha 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 ha, that's perfect. Sharp rocks. I need to gain more speed. How'd he do it? I can do it too. Ouch. It really hurts. Ah! Help me! Somebody's calling for help. I'll go. Crusher, what are you doing here? I damaged my engine and can't move. I'll hook you and bring you to the car service. We're almost there. I can't pull you out. You're stuck. The train is coming! Pull harder! I can't. I need to move the switch. Done. Pooh! That was close! Well, thank you, Blaze. No problem. Let's go to the car service.
Wow, what a cool road. I wonder whether I can drive along. Oops. Ouch! 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 My wheel! What happened here? It's Crusher. What's wrong? I did nothing. I just fell into the pond, yeah. My tire is flat now because of you. I'm sorry. You have to repair the railway road then. Whew. I did it on time.
Ha-ha!
Well done, Crusher. Almost a strike. Now it's my turn. Hey-oh! 1-1. Wow, bowling. Hey, may I join you guys?
Do you have a team, Blaze?
No. Then come after you find it. Hello, Stripes.
Hello? Do you need anything?
Do you want to join my bowling team?
Bowling? Sure.
Meh. Great!
Oh, my sheep are gone. Sorry, Blaze. Wait!
Oh well.
Catch you fish big and small. Wow, it's a bite. Hooray! Wow, another bite. Phew. Wow, what a big fish.
Hi, Zeg. I have an offer for you.
Which offer?
Do you want to join my bowling team?
Wow. Bowling? Really? I'd love that.
Great! Let's go.
Hooray! Bowling, 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 bowling. Oh, ouch! Ouch! Ouch!
Zeg, are you okay? Are you ready?
Oh no, it looks like I got water in my engine. I can't go. Sorry, Blaze.
Okay, no problem. Who can join my team? What do you think? Write in the comments below. Huh.
Hey, Blaze.
Hey, big brother. What are you doing here?
I came to visit you, and you are not at home.
I was looking for a team to play bowling.
That's not a problem. Come on.
Hooray! Are you ready?
Yes. Ah, 4 blocks left. Don't you see the target? Terrible shot.
Ah, now it's our turn. Haha! Strike! We won! Good job.
Ha, Blaze! Didn't you know I'm a champion in bowling? Next time the victory will be ours. Ha 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 ha!
You receive a cup for winning first place. Hooray! Let's show the cup to our friend Crusher. No, I want to keep it at home. But we both want it. No, I'll keep it at... Okay, I won't speak to you then.
Oops, sounds like a quarrel between friends. What can I do? Oh, I've got an idea. I'll build a museum for our rewards. Oh, the walls are done. Their stands are for cups, and this stand is for our medals. Oh, what a heavy chest. There are so many awards there. Hello, Blaze, Crusher. Come to the museum of our rewards. I'll be waiting.
Wow! So many medals. This is a place for our last cup. I'll bring it. Hooray! Now we can show all our rewards to our friends. Sometimes it's very important to unite efforts. Yes! Ooh, it's so beautiful.
Well done. One day I'll make such a museum for myself.
What happened here? I'll be late for my practice. Urgh. Oh, too bad. It's an accident. Crusher, are you okay? Yes, just dinged in my bumper a bit. Those screws are so sharp. We have to clear them out. Ah, I just remembered. I have to go right now. Oh, here's the cleaner.
Oh, my tire is flat. I can't help you anymore. Sorry, Blaze.
What shall we do then? Oh, I have an idea. Do you know what this is? Right, it's a magnet. Don't worry, I'll clean everything. Hehe. Cleaner, can you turn up the truck?
I'll try. Ouch, my wheel! Oh, thank you for the help, guys.
Well done, Blaze. Good job. Thank you.
Well done, Blaze. Good job. Thank you.
Well done, Blaze. Good job. Thank you. Cleaner, hold on to me. I'll take you to the garage.
The road is free. You can go now.